Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Learn English Method podcast. This is episode 45. My name is Richard.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jennifer. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome. Today, we have a very useful topic. We are going to learn how to change a flight on the phone.
That is right, Richard. Sometimes travel plans change. You might need to change your airplane ticket. Calling the airline can feel scary, but it is easy when you know the right words.
Exactly, Jennifer. We will take it slow. We will use simple words. You can practice with us.
Let us start with the first step. When you call the airline, you need to say why you are calling.
Yes, the easiest way is to say, I need to change my flight. Let us practice that. Repeat after me. I need
to change
my flight.
my flight.
Now, let's say the whole sentence slowly. I need to change my flight.
I need to change my flight.
Good. The agent on the phone is the airline agent. The agent will ask for your booking reference.
A booking reference is a special code. It has letters and numbers. Sometimes it is called a confirmation number.
The agent will say, Can I have your booking reference, please?
Let us listen again. Can I have your booking reference, please?
You can answer like this. Yes, my booking reference is ABC123.
Let us practice saying letters and numbers clearly. When you are on the phone, speak slowly. Repeat after me. My booking reference is
My booking reference is
ABC123.
ABC123.
Very good. After you give the reference, the agent will find your ticket. Then they will ask what changes you want to make.
They might ask, When do you want to fly? Or they might say, What are your new travel dates?
Let us practice the question, when do you want to fly? Repeat after me. When do you
want
to fly?
to fly?
Let us put it together. When do you want to fly?
When do you want to fly?
Great. Now let us answer. You can say, I want to fly on Monday, or I want to leave next week.
Let us practice a specific date. Say, I want to fly on October 15th. Repeat after me. I want to fly
I want to fly
on October 15th.
on October 15th.
Now say the whole sentence. I want to fly on October 15th.
I want to fly on October 15th.
Excellent. The agent will check if there are seats on that day. If there are seats, they will tell you the flight times.
The agent might say, we have a flight at 10 in the morning.
If that time is good for you, you can say, that is fine. Let us practice. That is fine.
That is fine.
If you do not like the time, you can ask for a different one. You can say, do you have a later flight?
Or you can say, do you have an earlier flight? Let us practice asking for a later flight. Repeat after me. Do you have
a
later flight?
a later flight?
Do you have a later flight?
Do you have a later flight?
Very good. Now let us practice asking for an earlier flight. Repeat after me. Do you have
an
earlier flight?
earlier flight?
Do you have an earlier flight?
Do you have an earlier flight? Good job. Changing a flight often costs money. The agent will tell you about any fees.
A fee is money you pay for a service. The agent might say, there is a change fee of $50.
Let us listen again. There is a change fee of $50.
Sometimes the new ticket is more expensive. You will have to pay the difference. The agent will say, the new ticket is $100 more.
You will need to pay with a credit card. The agent will ask, How would you like to pay?
You can say, I will pay by credit card. Let us practice. I will pay by credit card.
I will pay by credit card.
Good. The agent will then ask for your credit card number. They will say, Can I have your credit card number, please?
You will read the numbers slowly. We will not practice giving a real credit card number today. Just remember to read the numbers clearly.
After you pay, the agent will confirm the change. They will send you a new ticket by email.
The agent will say, "Your flight is changed. I will email your new ticket."
You should say, "Thank you." You can say, "Thank you very much for your help."
Let us practice. Thank you very much for your help.
Thank you very much for your help.
Excellent. Let us listen to a short conversation. Richard will be the passenger. I will be the agent. Listen carefully. Hello, I need to change my flight.
Hello, I can help you with that. Can I have your booking reference, please?
Yes, it is XYZ789.
Thank you. I see your flight to London. When do you want to fly?
I want to fly on Friday, November 3rd.
Let me check. We have a flight at 2 in the afternoon. Is that okay?
Do you have a morning flight?
Yes, we have a flight at 8 in the morning.
That is better. I will take the morning flight.
Okay, there is a $50 change fee. How would you like to pay?
I will pay by credit card.
Can I have your credit card number, please?
Yes, it is 4111-2222-3333-4444.
Thank you. Your flight is changed. I will email your new ticket.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
How was that? Did you understand the conversation?
Let us listen to it one more time. This time, listen for the question, when do you want to fly?
Hello, I need to change my flight.
Hello, I can help you with that. Can I have your booking reference, please?
Yes, it is XYZ789.
Thank you. I see your flight to London. When do you want to fly?
I want to fly on Friday, November 3rd.
Let me check. We have a flight at 2 in the afternoon. Is that okay?
Do you have a morning flight?
Yes, we have a flight at 8 in the morning.
That is better. I will take the morning flight.
Okay. There is a $50 change fee. How would you like to pay?
I will pay by credit card.
Can I have your credit card number, please?
Yes, it is 4111-2222-3333-4444.
Thank you. Your flight is changed. I will email your new ticket.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a good trip.
Now it is your turn to practice. I will be the agent, you are the passenger. Read Jennifer's lines. Follow along. Hello, how can I help you today?
You say, "Hello, I need to change my flight."
I can help you with that. Can I have your booking reference, please?
You say, "Yes, it is ABC123."
Thank you. I see your booking. When do you want to fly?
You say, "I want to fly on October 15th."
We have a flight at 10 in the morning. Is that okay?
You say, "That is fine."
Great. There is a $50 change fee. How would you like to pay?
You say, "I will pay by credit card."
Thank you. Your flight is changed.
You say, "Thank you very much for your help."
Good job. Practicing is the best way to learn.
Yes, practice makes you feel confident. Let us try another situation.
Sometimes you're at the airport and you need to change your flight because you missed it.
This can be stressful, but stay calm. Go to the airline desk.
You can say, I missed my flight. I need a new ticket. Let us practice. I missed my flight.
I missed my flight.
I need a new ticket.
I need a new ticket.
The agent will ask for your ID and your boarding pass.
A boarding pass is the paper that lets you get on the plane. The agent will say, "Can I see your ID and boarding pass, please?"
You can give them to the agent and say, Here you go. Let us practice. Here you go.
Here you go.
The agent will look for the next flight. They might say, The next flight is tomorrow morning.
If you must fly today, you can ask, "Is there any flight today?" Let us practice. Is there any flight today?
Is there any flight today?
If there is no flight on your airline, you can ask about other airlines. You can say, "Can you check other airlines?"
Let us practice that. Repeat after me. Can you check?
Can you check
Other airlines?
other airlines?
Can you check other airlines?
Can you check other airlines?
Good. Sometimes flights are full. If a flight is full, you can ask to be on standby.
Standby means you wait for an empty seat. If someone doesn't come, you can take their seat. You can ask the agent, "Can I fly standby?" Let us practice. Can I fly standby?
Can I fly standby? The agent will say yes or no. If they say yes, they will give you a standby ticket. You will wait at the gate.
Let us listen to a conversation at the airport desk. I will be the passenger. Richard will be the agent.
Next in line, please. How can I help you?
Hello, I missed my flight. I need a new ticket.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I see your ID and boarding pass, please?
Yes, here you go.
Let me check. Your flight was at 9 o'clock. It is now 9:30. The next flight to your city is tomorrow morning at 8.
Is there any flight today?
Let me check. No, all our flights are full today.
Can you check other airlines?
Yes, I can check. One moment, please. Yes, another airline has a flight at 4 in the afternoon.
That is great. I will take that flight.
Okay, there is a fee to buy a new ticket on another airline. The cost is $200.
I will pay by credit card.
Please insert your card in the machine. Thank you. Here is your new ticket. Your flight leaves from Terminal 2.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Did you hear the words we practiced? The passenger asked to check other airlines.
Yes, that was a very good conversation. Now, let us practice pronunciation. We will focus on the letter T.
In American English, the letter T can sound different in the middle of a word. When a T is between two vowels, it often sounds like a soft D.
Think of the word water. We do not say wa-ter, we say water. The T sounds like a D. Let us practice. Water.
Water.
Another word is better. We do not say bet-ter, we say better. Let us practice. Better.
Better.
Let us look at a word from our travel lesson. City. We say city, not city. Repeat after me. City.
City.
Let us try another word. Ticket. In ticket, the T is at the beginning and the end. Both T's have a strong T sound. Listen. Ticket.
Let us practice the strong T sound. Repeat after me. Ticket.
Ticket.
Time.
Time.
Today.
Today.
Good. Let us go back to the soft D sound. Listen to the word later. Do you hear the soft D? Later.
Let us practice. Later.
Later.
The agent asked, "Do you want a later flight?" Listen for the soft D in later. Do you want a later flight?
Let us say it together. Do you want a later flight?
Good job. Pronunciation takes practice. Keep listening and repeating. Let us look at one more situation.
Sometimes you need to change a flight because you are sick.
When you call the airline, you can say, "I am sick. I cannot fly today." Let us practice. I am sick.
I am sick.
I cannot fly today.
I cannot fly today. The agent might ask for a doctor's note. A doctor's note is a paper from your doctor that says you are sick.
The agent might say, "Do you have a doctor's note?" Let us practice. Do you have a doctor's note?
Do you have a doctor's note?
If you have one, you can say, "Yes, I have a doctor's note." If you do not have one, you say, "No, I do not."
If you are sick, the airline might waive the change fee. Waive the fee means you do not have to pay the fee.
Let us listen to a conversation. Richard will be the passenger. I will be the agent.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I am sick. I cannot fly today. I need to change my flight.
I am sorry you are sick. Can I have your booking reference, please?
Yes, it is MNO 456.
Thank you. I have your booking. When do you think you can travel?
I hope to travel next week, maybe on Wednesday.
Okay, let me look at flights for next Wednesday. We have a flight at 11 in the morning.
That is a good time. Because you are sick, do you have a doctor's note? Yes, my doctor gave me a note this morning.
If you email the doctor's note to us, we will waive the change fee.
Oh, thank you. That is very kind. What is the email address?
The email address is help@airline.com.
Okay, I will send the email now. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
In that conversation, the agent waived the change fee. That is good news.
Let us talk about what to do if the agent speaks too fast. This happens often on the phone.
Do not panic. You can politely ask the agent to speak slowly. You can say, "Could you speak more slowly, please?"
Let us practice that. It is very important. Repeat after me. Could you speak
Could you speak
more slowly, please?
more slowly, please?
Let us try the whole sentence. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Could you speak more slowly, please?
You can also say, I am learning English. This helps the agent understand.
Let us practice. I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Let us put it together. I am learning English. Could you speak more slowly, please?
I am learning English. Could you speak more slowly, please?
If you do not understand a word, you can ask, "What does that mean?" Let us practice. What does that mean?
What does that mean?
Let us listen to a short conversation. See how the passenger asks for help.
I will be the agent. Richard will be the passenger. Hello, we have a direct flight at noon, or you can take a connecting flight with a layover in Chicago.
I'm sorry, I am learning English. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Of course, I will speak slowly. We have 2 flights. One flight goes straight to your city. The other flight stops in Chicago.
What does layover mean?
A layover is a stop. The plane stops in Chicago, you wait in the airport, then you get on another plane.
Oh, I understand now. I want the flight that goes straight to my city.
Great. I will book the direct flight for you.
This is a great example. The passenger did not understand layover. He asked a clear question. What does that mean?
And the agent explained the word. The passenger got the flight he wanted. Remember, it's okay to ask for help.
Let us review the key phrases we learned today. I will say the phrase, Jennifer will say it again. Repeat after Jennifer. I need to change my flight.
I need to change my flight.
My booking reference is,
My booking reference is,
when do you want to fly?
when do you want to fly?
I want to fly on October 15th.
I want to fly on October 15th.
Do you have an earlier flight?
Do you have an earlier flight?
I missed my flight.
I missed my flight.
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Excellent job today. You are making great progress.
We hope this episode helps you feel more confident when you travel. Speaking on the phone is hard, but you can do it.
Yes, just use simple sentences and ask the agent to speak slowly. Thank you for listening to episode 45 of the Learn English Method podcast.
Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a lesson. We would love to have you join us next time.
Yes, hit the subscribe button and follow us for the next episode. We will see you soon. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing.